guys, what's up? It's me Shivangi Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have missed me all because I missed you a lot and I know I'm really sorry. I've been not posting content like that frequently because this year has been the busiest of all. 2025 was filled with a lot of work, a lot of emotions, a lot of opportunities and lot of college work as well. So I was pretty occupied over there, but I have decided 2026 is going to be very fruitful year and I'm going to do a lot in that. So here we are. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy new year. I hope this year brings you a lot of good health, good money, good prosperity, you reach a milestone and whatever you dream of just come true like this, because that is what I'm hoping for myself as well. So yes, here we go, and I am going to talk about the vision board I'm making this year. And the purpose of the vision board every year comes around like what I have discovered is, देखो vision board बनाने का मेरा simple एक ये मेरा जो logic होता है कि I want to segregate my dreams and just think about it like what I really want to do in this entire year. It's about making a blueprint like what you actually want to do. It gives you clarity also like whatever you want to achieve, and once you make the vision board and stick it on the wall and so you watch it daily तो आपको लगता है ना कि I have this thing to do. So I would like to start with what 2026 exactly I want to make it like in few words. That is, 2026 is going to be year of success. Like I want to be very successful in this year and I want to achieve all the things that I've dreamed of, all my dreams of my parents that they have worked so hard to just pamper me and just grow me in a better person that I am today, and I want to be a best person for them. So I want to be this year of success and achieving all the milestones that I've decided for. Now coming up to my body and my physique that I've been losing control of, that has been very hectic task for the entire year. Since I've left my home, my body is not supporting me at all. People will say I have this habit of eating junk, बट भाई मैं कैसे बताऊँ, मैं अगर जंक ना भी खाऊँ, मैं सिर्फ हॉस्टल का भी खाऊँ, मेरा बॉडी ऐसे रिएक्ट कर रही है जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव बीन अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेसफुल एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो फ्रॉम पास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव कम न्यू. बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने नई एक्सपीरियंस करी है बिकॉज मुझे अभी कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपोजर नहीं था, मुझे वो मिला एंड मुझे पता नहीं था काम कैसे होता है. आई डिडंट इवन हैव द आइडियल मीनिंग ऑफ व्हाट जॉब इज़. Now I have came across everything and I was so stressed and anxious around for a long period of time. So yes, that was the thing that was affecting my body, but now I want to focus on my body. So the first thing I want to start with focusing on my body. I want to eat healthy and I want to work out really I want to work out. So I'll be focusing on working out like more frequently that I've been planned for the last year. I did work out last year but it didn't work out for me. So yes, and this time I'm not lying. I'm telling you, I'm not lying. I will work on that. Second thing is clear skin, shiny hair, fit body and healthy mind. Again the same thing. I want to have a clear skin, no bloated face. Like I have this bloated face right now, and I'll be honest with you, this is because of some health conditions that I'm facing right now. I feel I just go through a lot of bloating मेरे को हो जाती है because of when I'm stressed or when my menstrual cycle is about to come or something like that. So please don't judge me on that. I am extremely careful about my body, as you know, and I love eating food. That is not something I'll skip, but I will be very careful with the choices of the food that I'm going to make. And obviously I want good body. I want good body that I'm in, and this time I'm just like, God, please give me this body and I'm not going to screw it up. I swear. I'm just waiting for that exact time जब मेरे को अच्छी body God gift करें and मैं उसके बाद से कहूँ नहीं मैं इसको कभी ख़राब नहीं करूँगी. Coming to the next thing is graduating with good grades, because as you know in 2026 I'm going to graduate from this MBA degree and I want to graduate from a very good grade with a very good job in my hand, and I want to start my next chapter of my life and I'm very positive about it and I want to achieve this goal as soon as possible. It will happen, but I want to achieve with all the things that I've planned, with all prosperity and good growth is something that I'm mainly focusing on this year because I'm really want to achieve a milestone that I have in my mind. Everybody have these goals in my mind. Mine are quite unrealistic, but वो goals ही क्या जो आपको motivate ना करे आप कुछ करने के लिए. So I set my bar high. So I want, and the thing that I want to focus is on career growth. Career growth is very important this year because I have reached to a very peak years of my life when I want to be independent and I want to be successful, and all I say 24/7 this is I am successful. I say that I'm already successful. You know, the power of manifestation is this, how it works. The more you think good about yourself, the more it will happen. And I'll tell you, in 2025, I was the most negative person you will ever meet. Like, आप सोच नहीं सकते हो मैं इतना नेगेटिव सोचती थी. स्टिल लाइक द कॉन्स्टेंट थिंग दैट आई यूज टू से इज मेरी लाइफ बर्बाद है, मेरी लाइफ बर्बाद है, मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ, मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ, एम आई मेकिंग द राइट चॉइस, एम आई डूइंग द राइट डिग्री और नॉट. दीज वर द कॉन्स्टेंट थॉट्स इन माई माइंड. एंड सच में एक पॉइंट पे मुझे लगा था जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो सच होता जा रहा है. तो मैं सोचती थी कि यार चलो कुछ अच्छा क्यों नहीं सोच रही हूँ, कुछ अच्छा ही सोच लेती हूँ. एंड दिस वन पर्सन दैट आई मेट एंड it changed my life. He always motivates me in saying like, please think good about yourself, be positive about yourself. The more you will be positive, the more good things will happen to you. And one thing that I saw in reels these days, मन का हो तो बहुत अच्छा, मन का ना हो तो और भी अच्छा. So this is something that is मतलब मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा, मेरे को टच हो गई ये चीज़. तो आई एम जस्ट लीविंग इन गॉड्स हैंड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बिलीव इन हिज प्लान्स, लाइक वॉट एवर ही हैज़ प्लान फॉर मी, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रस्ट हिज प्लान. The next thing that I want to be, everybody wants to become financially independent. I want that financial freedom. It's not like I have been bound with my parents' boundary or something. मेरे parents ने मुझे कभी ऐसे नहीं रखा. My parents are the most chillest person you ever meet. मुझे लगता है my parents are the best parents of this entire world because उन्होंने मुझे अपनी हैसियत से बहुत ज़्यादा दिया है. And I really cherish this, whatever they give me, and I'm so grateful. Now it's the time that I want to give things back to them. पहले मुझे बिल्कुल hesitation नहीं होती थी. I used to मतलब spend my father's money like anything, but now I have come to this realization, and this is also a part of growth. I've learned maturity in life, and I have been a good person. Like I'm being mature and I'm understanding the environment, like how things work. आई डिड माई फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप ऑफ माई लाइफ जहाँ पे मेरे को इतना काम कराते थे कि मंडे टू फ्राइडे मैं काम करती थी और फिर मैं सैटरडे संडे रोती थी सिर्फ जस्ट बिकॉज मैं मेंटली इतना एग्जॉस्ट हो जाती थी. सो दैट इज़ एंड मेरे को पेनीज़ में वो लोग देते थे. लिटरली आई यूज टू गेट पेनीज आउट ऑफ इट. सो मैंने रियलाइज़ किया है कि एक एक पैसा कैसे कमाया जाता है. अ लॉट फॉर अस. आई एम रियली रियली थैंक यू सो मच पापा, वॉट एवर यू हैव डन फॉर अस. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ गुड पर्सन. आई वॉन्ट टू सक्सीड इन लाइफ टू show you like I am also running on your footsteps, and I want to do something good for our family, and I want to become a very 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 good person. Next up I'm going to stick this image in my vision board because पैसा किसको नहीं चाहिए होता है. मैं सच में मैं इतना खर्च करती हूँ ना, मेरे को अगर तुम करोड़ रुपए भी दे दो ना, मैं एक हफ्ते में उड़ा के खर्च कर दूंगी. नो इन्वेस्टमेंट नथिंग, मैं बस खर्च कर दूंगी बिकॉज मेरे को इतना पसंद है पैसा उड़ाना. सो आई वॉन्ट टू अर्न मनी ताकि मैं उसी पेस पे पैसा उड़ा सकूँ. And whatever I have said so far will be only achieved by discipline and consistency that I want to keep in my life as a priority, and I want to be disciplined about everything that I'm doing, like from my morning routine, from getting up to doing all the chores, and I want to keep that alas aside because sometimes I become so lazy that I postpone things. There are many videos that I have still not edited and posted it because I was so lazy to do it, like Diwali vlog and other stuff. So I want to be consistent and I want to keep that laziness aside, and I want to work hard for it. The second goal, the next goal is to travel. Obviously everybody wants to travel, and I am a travel person. I love traveling, and so this year I want to just put my spiritual side more upper because this year I've realized that everything that is happening in my life is with God's grace. I was literally falling apart and I had no way. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मेरी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. And I am in Hyderabad from past 2 years. Next year in April 2026 April I'll be moving out of Hyderabad most probably. So मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था and I was losing my mind. So one weekend I just said I want to go to Mallikarjun temple. I just want to just do a Jyotirling that is nearby, and I just want to go near God like I usually do, like what my father teaches me. My father, I'm so blessed, मेरे पापा ने मुझे इतना हमारी रूट से कनेक्टेड रखा है, इतना हम लोग को स्पिरिचुअलिटी में बिलीव कर लाया है कि सच में इट इज़ ट्रू. The more you're connected to God, the more successful you get. So my goal is, I'm grateful that I visited Mallikarjun temple. It was the most beautiful time of my life, and it gave me vision, and it gave me a way how to do, and it gave me a peace of mind basically. So I was very happy, and I want to visit more Jyotirlings that I want to keep it in my vision board. I want to be near to God, and I want to feel his energy and positivity the more and more I can absorb. And obviously my dream place this year is going to be Kedarnath. I want to go to Kedarnath so badly. From past 2-3 years I wanted to go, but it's just जब भगवान बुलाते हैं तभी आप जा पाते हैं, and that is a very truly said. Praying to God, I want to be close to Him, and I am very 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 thankful for all the things Bholenath has given me, and I will always be grateful for Him, and I'll always want to be His little child that He is guiding me throughout my life. Next up, we have some quotes that I have kept for myself, that everything I imagine will be reality soon. Like, I want to be this much positive in my life, that whatever I imagine in a positive way, and I achieve that, because whatever you dream, you achieve and you become successful. The next is, I want my dream job. Like, my dream job is coming soon. So, the thing that I've realized अभी कि जॉब मिलना कठिन नहीं होता है, मन की जॉब मिलना बहुत कठिन होता है. लाइक इट्स वेरी टफ टू फाइंड अ जॉब जो आपके मन की हो. द नेक्स्ट इज, आई एम क्रिएटिंग द लाइफ ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स. Obviously, I want to create a life that is full of my dreams and everything that I've achieved, for a good job, a good house, my family to be healthy, a good man to support me and his family to support me as well, and obviously a healthy life, disease-free life, lot of good food. Obviously, food is the topmost thing that makes me happy. So yes, so I'm cherishing and I'm wishing for all these things in my life. And happiness comes within. Last year also I said this exact quote, like, happiness comes within. So I want to be happy and I want to create happiness. I'll tell you, I have been the most negative person in this entire year, because मेरी और मेरे पापा की बहुत ख़राब आदत है. अगर हम लोग को टू फेस लोग सामने दिखते हैं, हम बस उनके मुंह पे स्नैप कर देते हैं कि लाइक, भाई ये क्या बदतमीज़ी है, वट एवर यू आर डूइंग इज योर, व्हाई आर यू फेकिंग दिस. सम पीपल हैव दिस हैबिट कि वो लोग फेक करें, फेक नैरेटिव्स बना रहे हैं कि वो बहुत सेंट हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट पीठ पीछे रियलिटी कुछ और ही है. भाई, दे आर just the worst person that you will ever see, because you will see them in reality, and whatever the story they are telling behind every other person is so fake. So भाई मेरे से नहीं रहा, तो मैं I'll just definitely say that person, भाई you are fake, and whatever you're faking is so fake, like हो भी नहीं रहा है अभी है. तो ये बहुत ख़राब आदत मेरे और मेरे पापा के. हम लोग बहुत मुँहफट लोग हैं, बट समवेयर आई फील इट्स अ गुड हैबिट, बिकॉज मैं लोगों का फेक नैरेटिव नहीं वो उसको बाय कर पाती हूँ. आई एम सो सॉरी. व्हाट आई बिलीव इज to be what you are. It's not like you have to just show everyone what your goals are and tell everybody what you are actually going to do. Never tell your plans to anyone. Be secretive about it, but stop lying to people that whatever you are, show your true self. If you're not a saint, then don't tell people that you are a saint. Nobody's even asking if you are one. Just be what you are. Otherwise, just mind your own business. Just do whatever the hell you are doing in your life. Nobody even cares about it. Okay. Positivity. At last, we are coming to the materialistic things that I want in my life. That is the true things that I want to buy a good camera, like GoPro, for myself. I know it's not a big deal for many of you out there, but it's a big deal for me, because I'm not able to save money for this, and so I want to buy a GoPro with a good camera quality so that I can shoot more videos. And this year I'll be trying to be more active on my YouTube, because मैंने को ऐसा रियलाइज़ हुआ है कि मैंने शायद इसको बहुत ज़्यादा अवॉइड किया है या फिर निगलेक्ट किया है. फॉर पास्ट 1 year आई हैव बीन नॉट पोस्टिंग वीडियोज़ बिकॉज ऑफ लेजीनेस, वर्क, or you can say I was not getting time, or at the time I was going out to chill where I had opportunity to shoot, but I just wanted to relax, and maybe I was just giving time to myself. So I want to focus more on my YouTube. I want my channel to grow, and I want to be very 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 happy and positive person, and I am planning to work on that. And I hope this year will bring a new era of me, and I want to bring a new era for myself. And at last I want to say, no bad vibes, thu nazar na lage kisi bhi cheez mein, because all the dreams that I have set I want to achieve. At the end of the day, I just want to say, be happy, cherish your life, cherish every moment with your family members. Please be connected to your roots. Praise God, be thankful to Him. Whatever He has given you as a person, as a living being, whatever you have is because of Him also. Stay connected to every person and every entity of this world, and be thankful for everything. A very 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 happy new year to all of you. I wish all the good things come to you, all the dreams you have dreamed of should come true, and live happily and let other people live happy. Bye bye, tadas, take care, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and keep loving me. Do comment if you love my video. Bye.